So, the latest government jobs report really spells it out. The labor market vibes are, pretty bad, right?
Absolutely, yeah. It seems like while many were hoping for a resilient market, the hard numbers show a stark decline.
Exactly. In July, job growth was, only about 106,000 over the past 3 months, which is, well, the lowest since the 2020 pandemic crash.
Mm.
It's like the market was a mirage, not what we thought it was.
Right, and it's interesting because these numbers really uh, validate what folks have been saying from the start. The so-called vibe session wasn't a fluke.
Yeah, that's true. You've got these anecdotal surveys and actual labor data both pointing to the same fact. People, are really feeling it. Consumer surveys, Glassdoor ratings, and even the spike in unemployment insurance all add up.
Yep, and let's not forget how Glassdoor tracked employee confidence hitting record lows. Only 43% of workers feeling upbeat in June. That's a pretty stark shift, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely. It's like, if you ask a worker these days, they'd say things aren't, uh, looking up. And that expectation of rising unemployment is real too, with surveys showing, a 66% expectation of more unemployment.
Yes, indeed. It kind of paints the picture of a divided labor market. Those with jobs might be holding on, but those without really are, in a sense, abandoned.
Exactly. We're seeing that duality. If you have a job, you're okay, but changing jobs is largely off the table nowadays because, companies are clinging on to their current staff.
I get that, but don't you think this might be an overgeneralization? I mean, aren't there sectors that are still hiring actively?
Fair point. There are sectors with steady hiring, but the overall picture, especially in white-collar industries, shows signs of stagnation. CEOs are talking about how easily replaceable workers are, which hints at a larger underlying weakness, you know?
Certainly. Yeah. And I noticed the piece mentioned pay expectations. Workers are willing to accept lower wages now than before, which is quite a shift from that historical high of over $82,000.
Right, it's like the reservation wage took a nosedive to around $74,000. And, that tells you something about the market equilibrium. Workers feeling a little, well, desperate.
It's a real reality check, you know? People can't rely solely on good sentiments when the numbers are so bleak.
Exactly. This change in economic vibe is a wake-up call for policymakers, employers, and, basically anyone tracking the economy. There's a call for, well, more realistic planning and strategies moving forward.
Right. Well, it's a timely discussion given the current climate. Thanks for breaking that down. It truly is a layered issue.